Having completed part one of the program that was looking at ocular movements and vision tracking, we'll now move on to peripheral awareness and proprioception. So here we have a very simple, straightforward post-it notes on the door. I want you to put those post-it notes and have a central post-it note whereby you have a cross on that. Stand around about 2 meters away from this, looking at the center cross. Are you aware of each of the post-it notes in the periphery? Once you're aware of the post-it notes, are you aware of any symbols you might have on those post-it notes? So you can put numbers, shapes, colors, but primarily mix it up, numbers and shapes. And as you become aware of those peripheral targets, try and step a little bit closer. As we step closer, it means that the post-it notes become more peripheral in our visual field. So build this up as you can. Try and create a threshold where you feel you see these and build it up closer. So that's the first of the little training methods I'd like to use. The second is to use the door frame here, keeping your head nice and steady, looking at the center square, and then jump your eyes to each of those corners and build this up as time goes on. You can set a metronome to give yourself a bit of a pace and to build that pace up. It's just looking, not as we did with the first of the coaching methods of vision tracking, but we're creating a test for what we call saccades, that jump movement of the eye into different locations. Once we've done that, you can actually build up a bit of proprioception into this, so keep your fixation on the center square, but keeping your head steady, fixation there, touch each of the post-it notes. So from the periphery to the center, periphery to the center. If you've got a small post-it notes or a little sticky, you'll get that by feedback of that appropriate location. So you build up the peripheral awareness, and then you're building up the proprioception. Do this not only just in a visual, but incorporate the vestibular and the balance by doing it on one leg, and do it on the contralateral leg as well. So build this up and alternate. One day you can undertake this vision training and then go back to the first of the vision training schedules that we've got. So you can build this up over the course of the first week, and then we'll include some other ways in which you can build up your vision and vestibular system, spending around about 5 to 10 minutes every weekday, I would suggest, and we'll hopefully build that proprioception, peripheral awareness, and enable you to perform better in the natural visual world that we encounter when we're undertaking our sports. I'll leave you with this summary of the vision, this part 2 vision and vestibular training that will help you in terms of building up your process of training over the course of the next couple of weeks.